Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I start, I wanted to say that I have a giveaway with Glamily. It's on her Instagram page. It's really easy. You just follow all the rules. You don't even have to tag people. If you don't have friends to tag, girl, it doesn't matter. You can just comment, like, I can't remember all the rules, but it's on her page and I am gonna pick the winner. Okay, so I hope one of y'all answer, because I'm just gonna pick the most supportive person. I'm not gonna pick a random person that just answered, okay? So y'all have a super great chance for one of y'all to win, okay? So next, remember when I told y'all about the Glamily app? Okay, well, guess what? I finally received makeup from them. I finally got the makeup that I wanted. Remember when I said the ColourPop eyeshadow palettes I wanted? Babe, I got it, look. And not only one, I got 3, which is wow. Like, I still can't believe I got 3. I thought I was gonna take like a whole year to get just one, but wow. It looks like it's only one because the box is so small. I was like, did they rip me off? They did. Did they, sorry, actually send me all 3 palettes? I was like, or they're just gonna send one by one. No, they actually did. I didn't think the palettes were gonna be this small. Look, they're really tiny. I thought they were gonna look big. In the picture and the videos, they look so big. It's crazy. And the reason that I got 3 and how I got a lot of points is because they randomly sent me like 6,000 or 7,000 points for not doing anything, just for, what was it, something, because it was September something. They just sent me, I'll probably put it here in the screen, I can remember, but, and I had like, what, 2,000 something points that I earned from posting videos, all of that. And well, 2,000 plus 6,000 or 7,000, however, I don't know math. That added up so quickly, so obviously I got like 3 palettes that I wanted. Girl, I just have like 1,000 something points left, so one of these ColourPop palettes are worth 2,100 points. So do the math. That's how easily I got makeup for free. So y'all can use my code from that app if y'all want. Y'all don't have to. I do get points. I think y'all do get points as well. So it benefits both of us to get makeup faster. If y'all want, y'all don't have to. Obviously, it's a free way to get makeup if you don't get PR or you're trying to save money. So yeah, I just thought it was so amazing, because how you don't get like 3 palettes for free like that in a day. It took like a week, 2 weeks to ship. Yeah, they're not fake. It's a real app. It works. So I'm just gonna open. The first one is the honey or something. It's the yellow palette. Is the honey. Anyways, I'm just gonna open it. Wow, it looks really pretty. Ay, oops, it came with this. Let me show you on the back. So I chose this one because I really wanted yellow, because I hardly have yellow eyeshadow, just like one, and I love yellow. It's one of my favorite colors, so I really want this one. I wanted to choose palettes that I hardly have, like the shades that I have, so this was one of them, the yellow. If not, I'll just pick green, blue, the color, like my top favorite colors, or red, but I was like, I need to calm down. I'm just gonna choose the ones that I don't have. So that's the first one. I can't wait to use this one. These are not fall palettes. These are more for spring or summer, but girl, you know I love color. I don't care. So the second one is an entrance. It's this lavender lilac shade. I love this color too. Okay, I love every color. Let's be honest. I say that with every color. Okay, so this is how it looks. Oh wow, I just noticed the packaging. It has hearts. That's so cool. Wow, I love this packaging. Oh, it's like iridescent. This is dope. Wow. Okay, so that's the back. So for this one, I mainly chose it for this periwinkle blues and purples. I love those. I don't have, or in this pinkish, I don't have a lot of pink, blue, lavender, lilac, pastel shades. I have like one in each palette, but it's not enough. So I was like, I need more pastel shades. So these have a mixture of those pastel shades. I wanted their mint palette, but they don't have it there, and I wish they added it here. But oh well, that'll be next time. If, yeah, I don't think they will have that palette, but yeah, that's why I chose this one, like a pastel palette. I don't really have a lot of these. But this is more like a girly, pastel-y vibe, which I probably won't use a lot, but it's better to have than not. So when it's spring, I'll use it a lot. And the last one is Baby Got Peach. This one was the first one that I wanted, actually. Oh, this is weird. This one actually comes with the box, not those. Because this is the older palette they came up with. I don't know. So I'm gonna open it. It's stuck. This is how it looks in the back. Okay, I'm open. I was really, oh my god, I wanted this one so bad. Because I don't have a lot of peach shades. I don't think I have any peach shades at all. And I just love the colors. This you might use it all year round. It won't matter. Because it's like a orangey but light. I think it's really pretty. I might use it today. I don't know. Because I'm trying to do more fall looks. Because I hardly do fall looks, just a little bit. Because I get bored because it's just brown and orange. But anyways. That I thought the pan size were going to be bigger in the palette. I don't know if I like it or I just wish it was bigger. But I mean, for the price and the amount of shades, I mean, the packaging, it's alright. It's cute, but you know, it's just, I guess because I'm used to bigger palettes now. I don't know. But these are all the ones that I have. I just hope that I get to save more and they do another. So they send me more coins randomly. I hope I didn't break that one. Hold on. Yeah, I didn't break it. So yeah, they have other colors. They have the blue, the green, the purple, the red, the brown palette. So yeah, I got these. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Don't forget to enter my giveaway on my Instagram page if y'all want, not mine, Glamily's. If y'all have questions about it, just ask me. I'm gonna pick the winner, and I hope one of y'all win. Okay, good luck and bye. Thank you for watching.